Shri Om Prabhu to all participants, Paramaguru, Paramaguru, Paramaguru. I am very sorry due to the disturbance of this internet. First of all, I would like to thank to the Facebook staff and family members for providing me the live video opportunity every Monday. Today topic is Supreme God, serial number 23 in English. I am talking about the connection right from the very beginning, Lord Brahma to Vasisthas. Along with Bharadwaj Gotras. Lord Brahma's son is Vasishtha, Vasishtha's son is Shakti, Shakti's son is Parasara Rishi, Parasara Rishi's son is Vedavyasa. Vedavyasa father of four sons, Pandu, Dhritarashtra, Vidur and Shukadev. Pandu, 5 sons, Yudhishthir, Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadev. Dhritarashtra's 100 sons. So, Pandava and Kaurava fought a war which is called Mahabharata. In this context, let me say, Vedavyasa wrote 5th Veda, which is called Jaya. It consists of 90,000 sloka or verses. But his disciple, student, Suta Rishi, he wrote Bharata. Bharata means he converted Jaya into Bharata. Original name is Jaya, written by Vedavyasa. So his disciple Suta Rishi wrote, converted the name Bharata. And next, Vaishampayan Rishi, student of Vedavyasa, he wrote Mahabharata. That is why they wrote Bharata and Mahabharata. Bharata was the great king. The present whole India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, so many places. Great emperor. Actually, the Bharat king belonged to Nepal, Bharatpur. Particularly, we can see Kali Gandaki river of Ridi, Siangsa district of Nepal. He was there. So, not one time or 3 times, we can see in Gandaki Mahatmya books written by Tikaram. So, next thing is Lord Brahma's son is Angira. Angira's son is Brihaspati. Brihaspati's son is Bharadwaj. King Bharat, father is Dushyant and mother is Shakuntala. He had 9 children from 3 wives, but none of them were fit for ruling. That is why Bharat king handed over the power to the Bharadwaj Rishi. That means, King Bharat adopted as a son Bharadwaj. So, Bharadwaj Rishi, he handed over power his son Bhimanya. So, this is the things. Bharata Khanda, it's a, Bharat Khanda, Uttarakhanda, Himavat Khanda, Khanda not Khand, 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 Khand. Uttarakhand, Himakhand, Khand, Himatkhand, Bharatkhand, and there is Khand Devi also. Also later on, Khado Jagaune. Khado Jagaune means, this is in Nepali. In this literature, the term Khado Jagaune developed into Khand, Khand, Khand. Khado Jagaune means to unite, to integrate, and to and material power to defeat the demon in the war. For example, all gods, goddesses, human being, animal being, insect creatures, along with the earth, water, fire, air, and sky, united and integrated, just like Mahakali did to kill the Shumba Nishumba, Raktabij demons in the golden ages. So, till today, there are Khand families who united Nepal in the name of Shah dynasty by great king Prithvinandana Shah. So, this Uttarakhand, Himatkhand, Bharatkhand, or Khand Devi, Khand Jagaune, all are related to Alam Devi, Xiangja districts. The Devi is called our Kuldevta and Mahakali, Durga Amma. Alam Devi is the Kuldevta of Khand, Saha, Sahi, or we can say all the Bhardwaj Gotra. Even today we can see Kusunda and Raute. They are also Thakuri. They are the present footnotes, these foundations of Thakuris in Nepal. Past history of Chittorgarh of Shah dynasty came from India is totally wrong. All Thakuris are roots are in Nepal. Worshipper or Pujari, we say Alam Devi is Magar. In my visions, Magar is related to the youngest brother of Khand family, not the family of Magar. Thakuris are not the family of Magar, but Magars are the youngest brother of Khand family. This is clear here. My grandfather, Tek Bahadur Malla of Hukadada village, Xiangja district, told me when I was child, there were 4 brothers of Khand family. To worship our Kuldevta, Alam Devi, Khand family need to give sacrifice of the domestic boar or sungur. And who will sacrifice and worship Kuldevta? Then first brother refused, second brother refused, third brother refused. Youngest brother said that I do, ma garchu. I will sacrifice the domestic boar, ma garchu. That is why his generations became Magar, I do. Otherwise, Magar are also family of youngest brother of Khand family. Not the Thakuri are family of Magar. They began to eat domestic boar, sugar. Therefore, taking domestic boar into the consideration, the above mentioned facts are Khand is the origin of Nepal, and Magar is also youngest brother of family of Khand. It's amazing that Param Guru Sri Tirukuteswarananda of Nepal, now Param Guru is residing in Swayambhunath, near Swayambhunath. He incarnated our Kuldevta, Alam Devi or Mahakali goddess of Xiangja district in the body of Shanti Devi Thapa Magar of Batol last years. Anybody can meet her. So this is everybody can see what is the relation between Magar, Khand, Shah, Sai or other Bhardwaj Gotra up to the Lord Burma. So we have very good relations. All the people of Nepal are related to son of Lord Burma. So this much is for today. If any question, please ask me so that I will try my best to answer. Thank you. Shri Om Prabhu. Okay, Hemlal Pun, Major Hemlal Pun, I know him. Jai Khan sir. Thank you very much. Sarika Shah, watching. Thank you very much. Singh Shahi is watching. Thank you very much. Sushil Timil Sinha is watching. Thank you very much. Keshav Subedi, Dr. Keshav Subedi, thank you, sir, for congratulations of Bhardwaj. We are all same family. So, we Nepali should be proud of this. Major Hemlal Pun, I am online to ask you. Yes, you can ask. Hemlal Pun, may I have your permission, sir? No need of permission. I will try my best to your to give answer. Okay. I am waiting your questions. You have permissions. If I know, I will reply. If I don't know, later I will let you know. Hemlal Pun, sir, language. Keshav Subedi, Shri Om Prabhu. Thank you very much. Okay. Hemlal Pun, typing in Nepali, sir. Okay. I am not technicians. I have no much idea about the this typing in Nepali. Thank you very much. There are two type of khad. Khad, khado jagaune. Then tell me, what are the two types of khad? One is, I understand this, when we go in war, that time also we use khado jagaune. Another, on the occasion of the marriage ceremony also, we use khada jagaune. Khada jagaune means this, to increase our power with the blessing of our Kul Devta Alam Devi. That is why we have in our army also, all the battalions, all gods are related to all goddess Durgas. Some Bhairvanath, some Kalibhags, some Singhanath, like this. So, Hemlal Pun, Major Hemlal Pun, may I proceed? Okay, you go ahead, explain. If you have a new idea, give me. Just share to understand to all participants. Yes. My experience, Imlalpon, my experience, khado is a weapon that is an old ancestral weapons. Khoda, we have khoda also, ancestral weapons. You are right. We say, we have khoda also, just like not the sword, but khoda is a different type, more strong. So you use that weapon also when you use khano jagaune with that weapons. You are right. Netra Khad is watching. Thank you very much. Bring them on camera. Okay. Thank you very much for questions and watching this. Many thanks to all participants who are watching. Oh, there's so many coming, huh? Oh, and another a tantric way that is observed to for special investigations. Yes, yantra, mantra, tantra also used in terms of the worship the gods or khana jagaunes. And Mandoj Adhikari is also watching. Thank you very much. Okay, no more questions. Many thanks to all participants who are watching the live video. Supreme God bless all of our happiness in our bodies, peace in mind, and comfort in our soul. Thank you very much. Shri Om Prabhu.